What's up, YouTube? Seductive Souls coming at you. Got a pair of Yeezy creams right here. As you can see, they're very beat and dirty. I'm gonna work magic on them. Got a special plan for these. So it's gonna be a two-part, three-part video. First part is gonna be about deep cleaning these, bringing them back to the normal look, the dead stock look. And then the second part is going to be the customization video. So stay tuned, because you'll see this shoe posted twice on my site on YouTube. That's because I'm going to deep clean them real good, make them look new. Then, as I said, do a custom on them. Show you the bottom. All this will be clean as well, even though it's gonna go back being dirty. All of that will be clean. Sock liner will be clean as well. Everything on the shoe will be clean to the best of my ability to bring them back to how it's supposed to look. So stay tuned. We'll be back, part one, with the final product. Back, final product. Just got through deep cleaning these. I deep cleaned them a couple times. These are supposed to be creams, but I'm starting to think they look like sesames. But for the most part, the deep cleaning came out pretty good. Got them back as white as I can. Not really tripping on it because, like I said, this two-part video. So next, they're gonna be turned into a custom. So the next video I post will have the dirty shoes, a pic of the clean, and then them customized. So stay tuned for that. And these were pretty dirty. It took me a little while to get them clean. Some parts are still a little dingy, but as I said, it doesn't matter because it's going to be customized, and the cream colorway, so to say. So it's cream is like a dirty white, off-white color anyway, so it doesn't really matter. All hand clean, deep clean. The laces, it's the second time on the laces. You see the water dirty. They still dirty. I might have to throw them in a washer because like I said, this is the second time cleaning them, and they didn't come out too white. But like I said, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. Stay tuned for the custom.